Automated lead prioritization. What we're seeing is that once you start having some marketing campaigns, having some different marketing actions, we're seeing companies getting a lot of leads. How can we then prioritize these leads? It is very important to find the right leads to focus on. If you have a lot of leads, you need to make sure you assign the right priority in managing those leads. In some other cases, for bigger teams, different people inside the team are managing different territories, different industries for the leads, different company sizes, and so on. Right. So instead of just looking at those leads and take it as it comes, we can do a lot better, right? We should not wait until the best leads go cold. We should always work on what are the best leads that you have right now. So how do we really can do that, right? First of all, there is a lot of data. So first, Enrich. We use Apollo, but you can use any other platform that has this kind of data about companies and contacts, right? So first, enrich every time you get a new contact, a new company, enrich that, understand who they are, define a fit score. You really need to have defined, okay, what's your ideal customer profile? Give you an example, small companies, big companies, you're working with SMBs, you're working with enterprise. So spend a bit of time and define your ICP and really understand your ICP. And then the AI will be able to score it based on that ICP. If you're running any kind of marketing, you also need to have an intent score. What we use here at Makeitfuture, for example, as intent score, we're looking at people that join webinars, people that click on our marketing newsletters, people that are booking calls with us, people that are sending us emails and things like that, right? So all of these intents are adding score to that person, and then auto-assign. Auto-assigning means having an agent that goes, checks all this information, and then based on that information, it will automatically assign that to one of our sales reps. How do we really do that? Okay, so there's two ways we can do that. One is we have a Claude Code, in this case, scoring agent. We have a HubSpot daily score. So this skill that we're running here knows very well our ICP. Who are the different profiles that we work with? It understands who is the owner of each ICP. So it knows if on that sales call should be Tiberiu or Petru or whoever from our team to join that call. And it's using a direct MCP connection towards Apollo, towards our HubSpot, and it's updating the data automatically. To make that very simplistic, you can use for that Claude Code. We're not running it as it is. This is an example, okay? And I'll show you how we run it in a bit. So the easiest way, if you want to run this, have Claude connected to your CRM and to your enrichment platform. And then just tell, hey, I want to have this scoring. Add these fields in my CRM. If you don't really have it, I will ask Claude now, give me the details of the HubSpot skill. And we are running this in a bit differently. I'll show you in a bit, but you can do this very easily, right? You create your own skill with a scheduled task in Claude Code. You connect it to your different things. Like I said, you need to have your different MCP there. Maybe I can show it easier here than wait for this. And this will return and I know why. I was showing you earlier this platform. I just put that in, and I think it's not yet synced to and approved within the organization. Let me approve it now, and then I will have access to it. But practically, you're creating that daily check and improvement to your CRM, and then you get to understand who it is and how to do it. How we also do it at Makeitfuture, and I think that's the way to a more automatic way of doing it. We have an interface that's connected to our website. So whenever somebody goes on our website, when they book a call, they will need to first input their company. Okay, so I'll put here ubexo.com. So when they do this form from our website, goes automatically to Apollo and get the details of this company. So then based on who this company is, in this case, Ubexo has 2,200 employees, based on who they are, right? So I'll put here, whatever my name, doesn't really matter right now. Okay. So based on this is being sent towards a make process. That process automatically identifies who should be on the call, and it automatically forwards that person to this meeting link. Okay, so the brain, it's already there back into the process. How that really works is we have a webhook, which is opening that website. So this webhook URL here, it's opening that script, which is this website that's embedded to our website. This script, it's all loaded inside this, and it has some connections to another scenario. This is the other scenario that's giving the details for companies from Apollo. Okay, so you can see this is querying by domain here, and it's returning the data towards the website. And then this is, if I put here another company, I don't know, Emerson, it automatically goes there, takes the detail, you fill it, and then it goes to our CRM, right? So by doing that, we have a very simple form. Then we have another agent. In our case, we're using Hermes as well. We have another agent that's getting those details, and this is getting sent towards our CRM, right? So we have a bit of AI and Apollo, and all the data then it's sent and booked automatically. So by doing that, you really get the customer gets the automatic assignment when they book the call, and also they get the chance to book directly with the person that has the time, right? So we rely a lot on booking the calls automatically. So we want to position that booking link automatically in front of our customers.